Hey everyone, Mohammed here, SEO Website Masters. Just what real quick, I just wanted to update you guys on a couple of things that are new with SEO Website Masters. We have published 4 books that have been released on Amazon right now. We have Unleashing the Power of OpenAI, ChatGPT. We have affiliate marketing book. We have the best SEO, and the fourth one is it's a men's mental health journal. So all of those books are excellent, jam-packed with really good information. I'm going to start making videos for each of them, just to break it down further, so you guys are not missing out on any of the good information. All the books are jam-packed with good information, research of about 10 years of everything that we learned from internet marketing. As you guys know, we were part of the pioneer of internet marketing. So all these books are distilled and jam-packed with real life experience. We've made all the mistakes that you don't need to make. So from that book you can learn from an expert's point of view, and maybe some points to avoid making the same mistakes that almost every internet marketer does. So I really think this book is going to be beneficial for all businesses, entrepreneurs, and it can really be a game changer for you. So be on the lookout for all the video series, for all the books, so you can learn more about it. I'm also going to drop the link to the Amazon book page so you can check it out, and perhaps if you're interested you can buy it. Please do leave a positive review if you find the information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. Otherwise, just get ready for all these videos that are going to be released. All right, talk to you soon.